day mga paps, dito tayo ngayon sa Gateway Station. Nagpupunta tayo sa Patulo Bridge. Let's go! So guys, nag-take tayo ng SkyTrain from Gateway to Scott Road Station. It's only one stop away para mabisita tong Patulo Bridge na officially they will be closing on Feb 17, which is I think tomorrow. So I can see a lot of people are coming. I think they want to say their goodbye to the old Patulo Bridge, which is andun lang sa likuran ko. At pinalitan na sila nung Riverview Bridge or Stalewasen Bridge. So liga, puntahan natin kasi ang daming pumupunta. Sinundan ko lang yung crowd nung naglalakad ako. Let's go! So if you can see guys, ang dami naming nakakasalubong, or ang dami ko nakakasalubong ng mga naglalakad. Galing sila lahat ng Patulo Bridge. And dahil nga magko-close na tong bridge na to, ayun yung pumalit na bridge, yung merong isang crane na mataas. Yan yung ipinalit sa Patulo Bridge. Gusto ko sana mag-scooter kaya lang daming tao. So andito na tayo sa paanan nung bridge. Ito naman yung Riverview Bridge sa right side. Alright. So andito na tayo sa Old Patulo Bridge. So a lot of people are walking. Ang aso talaga pag nakakita ng scooter, gusto ko na lang dambain. So kung titingnan nyo, it's a 4-lane bridge. Itong bridge na to, nakapag-drive na ako dito couple of times. And kapag nagda-drive ako dito, feeling ko masikip. Lalo na pag may kasabayan kang malalaking sasakyan. So ito yung katabing bridge na pumalit dito sa Patulo Bridge. Uy, may train. Ayun o. Ang dami ngayong tao, guys. Meron pa yata nagdala dito ng kabayo nila kasi yun o, merong etchas ng kabayo. So yeah, andito pa lang tayo sa bandang paanan ng bridge. Akit pa tayo doon sa gitna, doon sa likod. Dahan-dahan lang tayo kasi may mga tao. So that's the Riverview Bridge. At nandito tayo sa Patulo Bridge. Tingnan nyo, makitid lang to actually.
Jacqueline, hey!
Sarap pala mag scooter dito sa bridge oh. Dati dinadaanan lang namin ito ng may sasakyan. Diba? Uy, may naglalagay pa ng flowers oh. Dahil na they're going to dismantle this bridge soon.
Oh, you got it. He looked at me kind of realized I would be certain. But yeah,
So guys, that's the new Stalewasen Bridge, named after the First Nation community, pero sa English it's called Riverview Bridge. And this is the new bridge that will connect. Oh, there's a horse. Oh, sabi na nga ba, may nagdala nga ng horse oh. Cowgirl. So as I was saying, itong bridge na to, Stalewassem or Riverview Bridge is the new bridge connecting New Westminster City, which is on the other side, at Surrey City, which is on this side. And you can see also the other bridge connecting Coquitlam, which is the Portman Bridge, that building. But before this Riverview Bridge, ito yung bridge na nagko-connect sa New Westminster and Surrey. This is the Patulo Bridge. So guys, behind me is the middle ng Patulo Bridge. So yeah, you wanna say goodbye to this bridge? Siguro nakadrive ako dito ng mga 4 times, but yung first time na nag-drive ako dito was really memorable because that's the time that we moved from Vancouver to the city of Surrey just in front of me. So this was built in 1935 or 7, and over 100 years na. May 100 years na ba? Almost. And they need to tear this bridge because of security and safety concerns, dahil nga matanda na tong bridge. Kasi kung titignan nyo yung mga kinakalawang na itong mga nasa gilid ng metal barriers.
Somewhere there.
Oh, daming tao. Parang may party. Kulang na nga lang mag-party. Ganda. Ganda ng bridge na to guys, kahit luma na. It's I think it's historical. This bridge was named after the premier na BC. I forgot the full name.
And then you can take this
Siguro
guy.
post ko na lang dito. So, andito na tayo sa gitna ng Patulo Bridge. If we walk straight, we're basically in New Westminster City. Doon lang sa harapan. So, dito naman sa likod ko yung pinanggalingan ko sa Surrey. Yeah, we made it here in the middle. Ang ganda, oh. Ganda. Naging pasyalan today ang Patulo Bridge. Daming mga naglalakad. Daming naglalakad, dala yung mga aso nila. That's a skytrain. So, yes, as I said, siguro para makwento ko ng konti sa inyo ang history ng bridge na to, ginugol ko na lang para accurate yung information. So, this bridge was opened to the public in November 1937 or on November 15, 1937. And ito yung nagko-connect nga sa New Westminster City and City of Surrey dito sa BC, sa British Columbia sa Canada. Nagko-cross siya dito sa Fraser River, which is yung nasa Franco. And this was named after the 22nd Premier of British Columbia, which is si Thomas Dufresne Patulo. So, just a bit of history about this bridge. Medyo umaambon na. So, siguro mag-spend na lang tayo ng few more minutes and then we can go. think yun lang for today's video mga paps. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube and Facebook channel. Bye! Goodbye, Patulo Bridge, and welcome